Welcome. If your phone screen keeps lighting up every time you get a Snapchat notification, it can get pretty distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or save battery. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the wake screen feature on Snapchat so your screen stays off unless you decide to check it. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. This is where you can customize everything from privacy controls to notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the notifications section and tap on it. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of all the notification options Snapchat offers. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Wake Screen. When this setting is turned on, your phone screen lights up every time you receive a Snapchat notification. If that's what you want to stop, simply tap the checkbox or toggle next to it to turn it off.